Because I know you're not coming up in here to... Who is it? It's you? What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Yola. Back again for another good video. Oh, for another good video. Oh. And I know y'all gonna be talking about me, but it's okay because we friends and we family. I know I be gone and the scenery is a little different. So we in my room. Period. You see? My friend right there, you see her? Anyways, y'all know what time of the month it is. It has been a while since I've done a BoxyCharm unboxing. I have my reasons, but we ain't gonna go there right now. Period. But yeah, so this is the October BoxyCharm unboxing, y'all, and we're gonna get into this good video and open this good box. Period. Okay, so let's see for this October unboxing, honey, what's going on in the little box. I ain't gonna lie, the boxes before have been like, I think that my September box was really popping. I had me some Fenty in there, but I did do a little bit of an unboxing of that on my little live video that I had posted a little while ago. The October BoxyCharm unboxing, honey, you know, we always, you know, do the little box this way, honey, or whatever, so that we all surprised, honey, okay? Me, you, and he. What we gonna do, baby? Anyway, so y'all already know how it goes. Hello, Charmers. Hello. I'm excited because I've seen a lot of variations of this box, but I really don't know what I'm gonna get. And this month's theme is Candy Shop.
I'll take you to the candy shop.
So excited. I like candy. I like candy a little bit too much. I taste just like it. I'm sorry. Okay, so oh Lord, here goes something. Okay, so this is why I be having the problem with BoxyCharm. I'm like, some of the stuff they be sending us, I be like, okay, I get it. This is filler, honey. Okay. Anyways, but this is a cherry. This is a body wash infused buffer. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I do like body buffers so that you can get rid of cellulite and stuff like that, but not everybody's skin is created equally. Okay. Anyway, so this is $20, but nevertheless, this is a cherry flavored body buffer with body wash in it. Okay. Next. Okay, y'all know I love me some skincare, honey. So what do we have here? This is Rodial. I think that's what it is. Soft Focus Glow Drops. Eliminating Ultimate Glow Primer. So this is some type of primer, honey. I love me some primer, honey. I love me something that go on my face that makes me feel like I'm glowing. So this is what it looks like. The little pink bottle, honey. The little pink bottle. Because I know you're not coming up in here to... Who is it? It's you? What's wrong? Oh. You see, I was going to cuss him out. This is... Oh, my goodness. Honey. This is $60 whole. $60 whole. But it's a illuminated... It says the skincare makeup hybrid is a next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and gentle shimmer to instantly boost illumination and glow. I hope that it's not like too glittery, like they're not. Oh no. Oh, I'm excited to try this. I like stuff like this. I like to look like, you know, that glow from within.
He's sun bleached.
You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, okay, so we got the little Sol de Janeiro. This is a tinted lip butter. Ooh, and it's cute. Look at that. Even the little packaging, that is really cute. Let's see. Is that the color I got? Because it's very fall color looking. Let's see. Okay, the little packaging. This is cute. I really like their packaging too. If it's a... Okay. This smell like Play-Doh. It smell like Play-Doh. Ooh, it's a bomb, so it smells like... It smells like Play-Doh to me. It smells like Play-Doh with a hint of coconut. Like, I'm not lying. Like, you know when you open up a brand new thing of Play-Doh and then it smell like Play-Doh with... A little bit of coconut. Yes, that's what it smells like to me. But we'll see how it works, honey. We'll see. It says it's a little tinted. The packaging is real cute. Real cute. And this is $20 hairs as well, honey. Okay. So first and foremost, can I just say this about BoxyCharm that I do like? They do give you an option to pick a product that could possibly come into your box before it comes. And I have been wanting to try Farsali. I follow them on Instagram, and a lot of people, influencers, have always talked about a lot of their products. So I'm super excited that I was able to get the Farsali's Quench, honey. This is a moisture replenishing serum. And then look, the whole little bottle is like that. Y'all hear that? That's glass, honey. This is going to stay on my desk along with my other skincare because I am true. We're going to try this out today. I'm really looking forward to trying out both of the little things that I got. Anyways, but this is $24. I got this Chiate London. I think that's how you say it, honey. I don't know. This is $32. Let's see, honey. You know, we're not going to doubt. We're not going to doubt. Okay, the packaging is real cute. Okay, that's real cute. I like the colors, honey. See, I like. Okay, let's see what the color story is. So this is the color story here. Very fall, you know, or every day. I guess you could definitely use these colors for every day. So, but we'll see how this works along with the other things that we got in the BoxyCharm. This is all the things that I got in the box today. And this is the BoxyCharm base box. You do pay, if you want to do the monthly subscription, then you pay $25, I believe it is now, a month. Or you can, or they give you other options where you can do 3 or 6 month payments or the full year payment. I know that I do the 3 month payment because, you know, you might not have it every month to take it out. So I just rather just get it all done right then and there, period. $156 was this box, and it's $25. And I did that off the top of my head, but I think that I did it right. So, but yeah, about $160, and you're paying $25 a month. So I can honestly tell you that BoxyCharm has given me a lot of the makeup as well as skincare products that I do own. So I don't try and knock them, but honestly, sometimes I feel like they know who they be sending their products to. Let's just say that. Okay. And we are going to try out first this Farsali's Quench. I just put like 2 drops. Ooh. Okay. Oh, well, it showed dry fast. Like water going on my face, but then it dried up. That was quick. Like my whole face is dry. Okay. I definitely feel the moisture. Okay, I'm gonna apply the rest of my skincare products right quick, and then we will try this primer. All right, so in that time, I ended up throwing on some eyebrows as well as priming my eyelids. We are going to do a natural glow within without look today. So I'm not gonna put on foundation because I really want to see how this works. I might do a little tinted something, but like nothing too serious. So we are gonna try this. Oh, that's a bubble. Okay, that's a bubble too. Did I not get no product? Dang. Okay, there we go. 1, 2. Let's do 3 just to be safe, because this is a lot of face right here.
Hi there, face here.
Let's see if you deserve staying on my counter. It smells really good too. Oh, it smells good. For $60, it better smell like something, honey. I like the way it went on. And I understand like the shimmeriness of it. And it's not like all left on my hand. You know how sometimes you have those shimmers that are left all over your hand and stuff like this? Like, I definitely can see the shimmers in my skin, but they're not as prominent as I thought that they were going to be. And my skin looks amazing. We're going to go in with this palette here and just do something simple. Let's just test out their little like base colors. Let's see how that works, honey. So I'm gonna do a transition color. None of these have names on it. Like, it's not on the back of the box either. There was no names for these colors, so I don't know what they wanted me to assume that I'm supposed to call these. I'm gonna go on with this transition shade right here at the top. Okay. I mean, it's showing up. I'm dipping in there a couple of times. This is my 3rd dip. Definitely couldn't be doing the one dip challenge with this palette for sure. But I mean, it's on there. It's light. You know what? This green is really, really pretty. This green down here is really, really, really pretty. So I think that what we're going to do is we're going to take this brown shade right here. We're going to put this in our crease, and then we're gonna put this in our crease. We're gonna darken it with this, and then we're gonna cover with that one right there, because that's what's kind of calling out to me right now. So I'm gonna go in with that little brown shade right there, and then we're gonna darken and deepen the color that we already have on, and just going on the lid with that, just to add a little bit of depth to that like transition shade that we just put on. So we're gonna go into with that darker brown that I was talking about to deepen and darken our edges and our corners. So I'm gonna dip into this brown right here, and we're just gonna bring that in. Okay, there it is. Okay, it comes up. You know, you gotta work it, but it's there. You see it? I know y'all see it. Don't act like y'all can't see it. It's there. Do I want to say that this is the most pigmented palette that I own? No. But it's working, honey. It's doing the job. Do the job.
Do that job!
I'm going to take my finger into this beautiful green right here. Oh, it's on there. It's really pretty. And then let's see if we can just put that right on the lid, honey. Oh, okay. There. Hey, friend. Hey. Hey, best friend. I see you. Hey, best friend, get to meet you. I see the little green. Ow, okay. With my finger. Okay. That's cute. I love a good, like, green, brown, fall eye moment, honey. Okay, if I had green eyes, it'd be on and poppy. Y'all wouldn't know what to say to me, honey. Y'all couldn't say nothing to me. How about that? I'm going to finish the other eye off camera right quick, and we'll be right back to finish up with the lip talk. Okay, because I'm dry. All right, so I want to put me some hair on and finish both eyes off camera. So pretty much all that I did was the exact same thing that I did on this eye. And then I took that really, really deep dark brown and I just put it along my lower lash line, added some mascara and a little eyeliner. And that is it. I also put a little bit more of this on. I actually like this. I stand this. I'm actually going to keep this on my desk as well. That's definitely going to go into my like daily regimen of things, because I really like how it went on my skin after like actually getting a good look at everything. So definitely going to keep that up here too. But while I was doing my little finishing, I noticed that my lips was really white. So we need to hurry up and go ahead and get into these lips. Period. So we got the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter in Teeny Bikini. The one that smells like Play-Doh with coconut oil, honey. But the cutest of packaging. Like literally, I think off of the packaging, I'm probably going to keep this on my desk and probably in my purse. Like honestly, I'm just hoping that it actually, you know, like goes on the way that I would, you know. And y'all know. Anyway, so the little lip, because they dry. It's slightly tinted. I see like a little, a slight tint on my lips. Like literally the slightest of tint, which is fine with me because I didn't want it to be overly tinted and take away from the beautiful eye that I did today. Period. So, and it feels good. Like I said, like I don't know if I'll be able to get past the smell. We'll see if this lands in my purse or stays on my table. But so far, I promise you, it smells like Play-Doh. I'm sorry, it smells like Play-Doh, you guys. This is the look. This is what I got out of my BoxyCharm October Box Sweetheart. We did our eyes using this here palette, honey. So nice. Like actually, after having to do my other eye off camera and doing it, I definitely got to see that those colors actually, they weren't like, again, it's not my favorite palette, it's not my most pigmented palette, but it is a really nice palette. I really did end up liking that palette in the end. I would say that that was a win for me. This right here, I don't know about this. Again, it feels good on my lips or whatever, and like I said, it just has like a slight tint, which is fine, but I don't know if I can get past the Play-Doh smell. It literally smells like Play-Doh with a hint of coconut oil, and it's like I can smell it all up in my nostrils while it's on my lips. So I'm not gonna say that this is not, that I might not use this again, but I don't know right now. How about that? The Farsali, this, I am looking forward to continue like using this continued so that I can actually see if I really like it a lot. When it initially went on, it definitely felt like water on my face, and it dried just like water on my face. Okay, period. So I guess over time seeing how this will work, but I was really excited about getting this because I've been wanting to try one of their products. So this is a win for me because it is something that I've been wanting. I mean, it's glass. This is a really high quality product. So shout out to y'all, Farsali. Yay. The Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. These are a win for me. Again, everybody doesn't like to have like that sheen on their face, but as somebody who does not wear a lot of makeup all the time, this is so cute. The glitter flakes aren't all huge, so it doesn't look like I'm over here just slathered myself in glitter on my face. But I did like the way that it kind of smoothed my skin out, and I like the little glow that it did add. So this is going on my desk for sure, along with that Farsali's. Look, the other thing, y'all see, I threw that. I don't even know where it's at. Where I put that at? I don't know. Did I put it back in the the little body butter, the little butter thing, or the little buffer, the body buffer. I don't know where I threw that, but I'm not going to say that I'm not going to use that again, but it just wasn't, if I went through everything in that box, that was my least favorite thing in the box, honestly, because like I said, not everybody's skin types are created equally, and BoxyCharm always gives us something that's like filler, period. So if you've gotten this far in this video, please leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite part of this video was, as well as if you like my look or not, because I think it's real cute. You know what I'm saying? Like minimal makeup, like only a few colors, and I really like that green. I'm not gonna lie, that green was real cute. Real cute. But make sure that you share this video with your auntie, your mama, your cousin down the street, and your auntie around the corner, honey. And until next time, remember to always be unique. Always be unique. All right, loves. Peace.